Hey YouTube. Hey guys, I'm having a beach day with my friends and I'm picking up my friend right now and she's not out yet, so I figured I'd pick up the vlog camera and start the vlog. Okay, well I have to go, so actually, I'm so sorry. Okay. Anyways, yeah, we're hopefully gonna have fun. The weather is horrible, but we knew that. We knew that since Friday, and we still decided to go. I'm driving. It's pretty far, but we got this. We're gonna blast some music. We did Spotify blend yesterday, and life is just great. I have no complaints. Okay.
I've been thinking about myself today.
Hey Queen.
Thinking how I changed. How I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
Okay, I'll have you look at these pictures while I try to preface the next clip. I basically saw this thing on TikTok and I obviously sent it to the group chat. You already know. And that same day we went to the ice cream store. We bought some cookies and we made it happen. It turned out really good. I would 100% recommend you guys do it. But yeah, this is very chaotic.
You got this. You don't have it.
For a while, sleeping like a babe. The curiosity, give the cat a laugh. You see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following